This is Q&A on the beach. Which car dealers would you recommend? Okay, so I've mentioned in previous videos that it is important to think about the maintenance of the vehicle that you are considering. Some people have asked about shipping their Teslas from the States, something I would not recommend because I hear they're very dependable, but if there's maintenance required on that and on foreign cars and other electric cars, then it might be a little difficult, or exotic cars I should say, then it might be a little difficult to get parts, to get the servicing, to get the expertise, the labor expertise, the technical expertise, as well as the diagnostic equipment to service the vehicles. So people end up buying Toyotas and Fords. Here it's a pickup culture as well, so the pickups, the Tacoma and the Ford pickups are popular. As far as dealers then, personally, I recommend to everyone not to buy a new car. It just doesn't make any sense to me. If you can afford it and you want, to spend the money, then sure, go ahead. But I would suggest buying a used car cash, and that way you don't have any ongoing expense. And people are always coming and going and leaving Ireland, so you can always find cars for sale on Facebook. Sometimes they'll be parked along the road with a for sale sign. So specific dealers, I wouldn't recommend any in particular, but we do have Nissan and Toyotas and Fords here on the island. Hope that's helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Next question, are there options to rent a car long-term without leasing? Absolutely. There are local car rental companies as well as some of the major brands, Hertz and National, and yes, you can. I have in the past rented a month at a time, 2 months at a time, and there are sometimes people who come for short stays on the island. They may have a contract that they're working on, and they'll rent for a month or two until the contract is up, or for even 6 months. So yes, that is possible. And if you email me, I will refer you to, I'll recommend the one that I tend to use. It's a locally owned company, and I do that to support the local economy, and rather than give my money to a major franchise. Hope that's helpful. See you in the next video. Here's something I just created, and I call it the Fast Track Relocation Kit, and it includes forms and fees and the mayor's office identification card application, a marriage application, application for a PO box here on Saipan, driver's license, and the tax forms that you'll encounter and that you'll likely need, as well as flyers for apartment complexes. Just a few of those, but some that might be helpful to know about. And that's available through the links in the description on the Shopify store, and also at waltgoodridge.com/store. You can check that out. Typically, this is for people who've signed up for the relocation tour, either the reconnaissance tour or the actual relocation tour. It's all of the forms that they would encounter during our daily tour. You can have them in advance so you'll know what to expect, and this may help answer some questions that you have, as well as prepare you for what to expect on the island. If you decide to take a tour, either a reconnaissance or relocation tour, then it'll be included as part of your tour. If you do a consultation, then you can get this as well. Or if you just want to buy it outright, then it's also available through a description through a link in the description. So hope that's helpful, and I'll see you soon.
Subscribe.
You're what the man said.